I'm making this video right now because the XRP bull market has started. If you've made it this far, you made it through the worst, right? We had a very brutal first half of 2026, and those times are finally over. And if you've been on the automation program, for example, on the Instagram, anytime we buy or sell anything on our accounts, it would be done to your account. We bought the exact bottom at $1, and it went from $1 to $1.70 in 3 or 4 days. It's insane. And I wanted to make this video because I have a couple thoughts and ideas of what's going to happen going forward. And the last 2 videos that we've made have been correct. The first video, I told you about 130 and 170. I told you we needed to break 130 to go to 170, and we just needed to hold above it. We did that. We held above 130. That level's clear. Good job. You know what I mean? Like, that's great. But 170 came, and it came in late last night. And I was up, you know, because I'm always watching the charts. And 170 got hit immediately. And immediately after that, we had a massive rejection. We went down like 20 or 30 cents, something crazy, within a snap of a finger. And that leads a lot of people to wonder, okay, are we going to be able to break it? And here's my thoughts. I honestly think that we have the momentum this time around and the sentiment to eventually break through that. I don't think we've had that before in a very long time. And once we do break 170, we're going to go way much higher because there's really nothing above that, right? In terms of levels, there's a couple levels in mind, like 220, 250. You know, there's a couple that we have laid out on the chart, but there's not really much that's going to stop us from going to all-time highs. 170 is the biggest, right? Because again, XRP's not had a ton of price action above these levels because for the most part, this coin has been trading under $1 for many, many years. You know what I mean? I say when Trump came into office and you know, going forward, this has been the longest we've ever set above $1 or $2. Usually it was always very quick pumps going up and down. You could just look at the chart editor, pull this up, and you can see that. So that's really what I think is going to happen. We are going to break through 170. Might not happen today, might not happen tomorrow, but it's going to happen. And until then, we're probably going to range dip a little bit. Right now we're at like 150 or 140, but I think that we're going to have the juice to push through that, and it's going to go fucking crazy because guess what, guys? There is so many liquidations sitting to the upside. This is the time to make money. So I'm really making this video for 2 things. I want to warn you about what's happening again. And I think you guys enjoy these updates where I'm going in and telling you guys this shit. But I also wanted to tell you, like, hey, you need to wake the fuck up because right now is the time to make money. And there has never been a better opportunity in crypto than the next few weeks, you know, to 6 months. I really do believe that we're going to go to all-time highs. And I'll keep screaming that until the fucking voice box goes out, man. You know, I've been talking about this bottom for a very long time. I don't think a lot of people, you know, I feel like at some point you kind of start sounding like a broken record. You know, but that's just the way that I do it. You know what I mean? I have to tell you guys over and over and over again to hopefully wake as many people as I can up. And the amount of money that have been, you know, shown to me in the last couple days through you guys making money on the IG, the results, it makes everything worth it. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys, if you're wondering, you know, where the best price to buy XRP is, you just have to think a little bit outside the box. What is going to change your life, right? Would it really hurt you that much if you're buying at 150 compared to 130? Not really. Not in the long term, right? Because again, we're going to go to 360 again. And that's just happening. So like really just think about it. Really ask yourself these questions because I've been buying for the longest time. It's always the same explanation at the end of the day. You just got to fucking buy. You got to stop being a pussy, man. Like at the end of the day, dude, like do you want money or not? You know, like there's never a right time to do any of this stuff, right? Like there's never a right time to buy a car. There's never a right time to buy a house. There's never a right time to buy crypto. At some point, you just got to do something. You got to get the wheels moving. So that's where I'll leave you guys off. I really am bullish, and I do believe that we can officially say the bull market has started. I don't think that this was a simple relief bounce. A relief bounce was like to 120. We've gone way above that. We went up like 70% in a couple days. This is far from normal. But if you paid attention to XRP for the longest time like I have, you'll know that this is just, you know, on par with the coin. You know what I mean? Like this coin will have violent moves, and we've gone up sometimes $1 in 24 hours. Like things can go. And if you go research price action from the moment that Trump entered office to maybe, you know, inauguration, every single day we were going up 10, 20 cents. It was crazy, man. So I really do think that these times are coming back around, and the fact that the Trump family is starting to finally talk about crypto again, it makes me wonder if this was all part of the plan. See, a Clarity Act was going to pass. It failed. You know what I mean? They're just going, fuck it. We're just going to go ahead and do this shit. You know what I mean? They're running out of time. And I think that that's probably what we're seeing right now. So we'll see what happens. If you want all the plays automated and you never want to trade again, then DM us crypto on IG. All of our trades automate to your account, and you never have to trade, like I said. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Leave a like, subscribe, and buy XRP.